guys, welcome back to another brand new episode of Chop Chop Diaries. र आज हामी बनाउँदैछौँ something very easy and delicious. It's a snack. It could also be a main course if you're a light eater. But anyways, what we're making today is a easy, breezy mini pizza. So your pizza tapale microwave ma banaउन सक्नुहुन्छ. It will only take you approximately 2 minutes to make this pizza. So before we go ahead with the recipe, let's take a look at the ingredients first. Alright, recipe को ingredients हेरिहाल्नु भयो. हामीलाई खासै धेरै चीज चाहिँदैन यो पिज्जा बनाउन, टाइम पनि लाग्दैन. So let's start. First मा मसँग रहेको छ all purpose flour. This is 1/3 of a cup in your mixing bowl. I have with me ठ्याक्क नापेर half teaspoon of baking powder. We'll put that in as well. And then we have salt. Salt, say we'll just use a pinch of salt. That's it. स्वाद अनुसार. Now what I have here is 2 tablespoons of milk. So हामी यो milk pour गरिदिन्छौँ यसमा. And we'll start mixing this now. So as you know, dough बनाउँदाखेरि जहिले पनि you need water. So then we have a little bit of water here. We'll add that. Okay, dough has been resting for 10 minutes. Now let's make our pizza base. Pizza base त easy नै हो. हामीले पिठो जस्तो हामीले रोटी बनाउँछौँ नि त्यही गर्ने हो. तर अब you don't want to make this too big पनि, you know. धेरै ठुलो पनि नबनाउने, ठिक्कको size since it's a mini pizza, you know. Okay, so यसलाई चाहिँ सक्दो पातलो बनाउनुस् because obviously you don't want the crust to be like really hard, हैन? So अब यसलाई चाहिँ गोलो नबनाएर आज चाहिँ I was thinking I will do something very interesting. So यसको sides म कट अफ गरिदिन्दैछु. There, look, that looks like a nice square shape for a change. Okay, so our base is ready. This is your pizza base. यो रहेको छ मसँग just some tomato ketchup. Just मैले अलिकति black pepper, अलिकति salt, अलिकति herbs हाल्दिएको छु just to make the seasoning better. अब यसलाई चाहिँ हामी pizza base जस्तो गरेर sauce बनाइदिन्छौँ हैन. Now again, if you don't have any of the things like तपाईसँग herbs छैन या तपाईलाई just plain tomato ketchup हाल्न मन छ या पिरो ketchup हाल्न मन छ या तल बेसमा hot sauce हाल्न मन छ भने it's all up to you. Okay, so you apply गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ I have my butter paper जसमा म यो पिज्जा लाई अब हाल्दिन्छु. There you go. And first step, we will put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Base लाई मात्रै. Okay, so 1 minute ma your crust say completely cook bhako hundaina because additionally also you have to cook it. So now we're going to add some fillings to it. Ra microwave pizza ma चाहिँ धेरै fillings हाल्यो भने त्यति राम्रोसँग पाक्दैन पनि मिठो पनि हुँदैन. So we're going to keep it very limited today to only cheese and some sausages. So we will put the cheese and sausages in here and then put it back in the microwave for another 45 seconds and your pizza is ready. It's that easy. Alright guys, welcome back to our Q&A segment with Niti. And Niti is so invested with our fur babies.
Hi!
She loves dogs apparently. So I think Bella chapted it. So hi Bella, it's time to go down now. Okay? Bye. Alright, hi Niti, how are you?
Hi Didi, I'm good, how are you?
Cost of lockdown.
It's okay.
What did you do? You've lost a lot of weight.
Yeah, I did. First lockdown I gained weight. The second lockdown I lost weight.
So how did you lose weight? Were you working out?
I was working out and I also started doing yoga. And amazing feeling. Kasto ramailo huँदो रहेछ है.
पहिला जस्तै भइसकेछ तिमी अब त. Have you come back to your original super skinny weight?
No, super skinny. I was 54 Miss Nepal ko time ma. Then I am 58. But lockdown ma I was 68. So 10 kgs down. And I also do intermittent, so
it's working.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay. So your fans have asked a lot of questions for you, which
Okay.
we'll answer in a while. But before that, today we made this delicious 2-minute microwave pizza. I want you to taste it. And मज्जाले खाने गम कि गम है. And tell me what you think. Okay.
No, I'm a big time foodie, Malai, so I'm not conscious about food. It's nice, meat.
So it's a really quick recipe, okay? Fatafat, like if you want.
How did you make it?
You have to see the episode.
Were you interested, Bache Bata, to cook, or Pachi for your interest, hobby of cooking?
I mean, if you ask,
in cooking after she got interested in me.
well, if you ask me now, majorly I started cooking last lockdown. That's when Chop Chop also started.
Yeah.
I was a very noodles kind of person. I
think first lockdown, everyone were either a chef or into bakery or into gardening, right?
So, now that I've started doing it, I think it was always in me. I just didn't know.
You found it.
Yeah. Okay, so हामी खाँदै पनि गर्छौं and we'll also answer questions that your fans have asked for you. Okay, first question, what is the meaning of your name? A lot of people have asked this.
My dad's name starts from N. His name is Nabal. And मेरो फुपूको नाम चाहिँ Nitu हो. So, because everyone is so fond of my fupu in the family, so Nitu ko badai Niti भनेर start भएको हो मेरो.
Niti नै किन भयो त? It could have been Nitaya.
I don't know. I think मेरो grandmom ko dad le राखिदिएको थियो. So Nitu बाट Niti, and in Nepali it means policy. But yeah, it's just Niti, N-I-T-I. धेरैको चाहिँ N-E-E-T-I हुँदो रहेछ हैन, but मेरो चाहिँ एकदम short form के nickname जस्तो के Niti.
But it's a nice name. I like your name.
Thank you, Bibi. Have you thought of your baby's name yet?
We have a few options that हामीले narrow down completely गरिसकेको छैन.
I'm hoping it's Ayanka.
We're also hoping it's Anka.
Yeah.
Right, baby? Let's see. मैले तिमीलाई क्वेसन पहिला पनि सोधिसकेँ long time back, but I'll ask you this question again because long time back चाहिँ मैले नीतिलाई actually call गरेको थिएँ because मैले गरिरहेको एउटा मुभीमा एउटा रोलको लागि. You remember? This was a very long time ago. I think मेरै
2013-14.
मेरै पनि beginning of my career तिरको बेलाको हो त्यो हैन. So now this question is here back again. Would you consider acting if Priyanka Didi offered you an acting role under her production banner?
Yeah, of course.
So you like acting?
I can't say I like acting because मैले कहिले try गरेको छैन. Like for TVC commercialsहरुमा चाहिँ अब त्यसलाई acting भन्छ भनेर मलाई I don't know, but because movieमा it's a lot of commitment and hard work हैन. So yeah, like if I'm given the right script and proper guidance of acting, then I would love to.
So someone say, why haven't you done it? Because I know you've got so many offers so far. But they've gone through me also. So I have actually asked her so many times, Garni, and she's like, no, Didi, I acting garna aundaina. So is that the only reason?
Yeah,
or is it
that's
because
the
you
only
couldn't trust who you're working with or the script or?
No, it's not more than like trust working with. Obviously, tapaiलाई चिनेछ, or I have my good friends from movie industry as well. But it's not about that. I think it's about like, can I act? Like, is it my cup of tea? Is it my thing? So I've always had this doubt, and त्यही भएर चाहिँ अहिले मैले no भन्दै आइरहेको. But then of course, like with proper guidance, and if I'm under someone who is very good at it, then I'll do it if I like the script.
Okay guys, so you heard her. She is interested in acting. You just have to approach her with the right script, the right team, give her good guidance, and she will act. My offer गर्छु अब. First booking
Okay.
Already. Okay. One Niti Shah fact that the world does not know.
Very general, like I'm a left-handed.
Okay.
So maybe people don't know that I'm a lefty. So yeah.
So right hand, but keep on गर्ने आउँदैन कि have you trained yourself to use right? कोही मान्छेले त्यस्तो गर्दो रहेछ नि left hand use गर्ने.
कोहीले चाहिँ अब left handले चलाउनु हुँदैन भनेर खानु हुँदैन भनेर right त्यस्तो भन्दो रहेछ. But मेरो चाहिँ parents they never stopped me. In fact, मेरो family-मा मेरो first cousins are left-handed, okay? I'm second generation, so me including my sister and my brother. But right ले चाहिँ म खान्छु, तर left ले चाहिँ लेख्ने अनि अलि dominant hand.
Oh, so you use both? Pretty much. अब right ले खानलाई
right ले चाहिँ खाने.
So म त left ले खान सक्छु. यस्तो सर त खान सक्छ होला. म त खान सक्छ होला. I don't know. I haven't tried.
No, but I can't use spoon चाहिँ right बाट because मेरो left चाहिँ धेरै चल्छ नि त, लेख्ने पनि left भएर. So right ले चाहिँ yeah, basically I'm a lefty, अलि balance गर्नुपर्छ time.
Did you ever feel like going abroad? I mean like पढाइको लागि त ठिक छ कि but just जाने नआउने टाइपको के? कहिले आएको लाइफमा त्यस्तो point?
I think अहिले चाहिँ I'm in that phase honestly because of whatever is happening in the country हैन. COVID भएपछि चाहिँ like अब हुन्छ नि बाहिर developed countries-हरु अब vaccinated भइसक्यो citizens-हरु and they're back in their old routine नि. अब हामी चाहिँ हेर्नु न यहाँ अहिलेसम्म लकडाउनमै छ, अलिकति frustrated भएर चाहिँ हैन बाहिर गएर like modeling opportunities studies wise. I also want to do my double masters. तर यसपालि चाहिँ I want to do in cosmetology.
Okay.
So त्यसमा चाहिँ I'm like looking for university-हरु अहिले चाहिँ. So त्यो सोचेर चाहिँ बाहिर पढ्न जाऊँ कि भनेर चाहिँ भइरहेको छ, तर लाइक बाहिर गएर सेटल हुन्छु आउँदिन चाहिँ त्यस्तो चाहिँ कहिले पनि भएको छैन.
Just for opportunities and stuff. So अर्को एउटा question पनि अहिले नै जोडिदिहाल्छु. People were asking like your education qualification. So now that you've mentioned it, so you've already finished your masters?
Yeah, I'm done with my MBA. मेरो major चाहिँ entrepreneurship थियो. अनि अब I want to study again. तर यसपालि चाहिँ I want to go abroad किनभने एकचोटि चाहिँ मलाई बाहिर गएर पढ्नु चाहिँ रहर थियो किन बाहिर गएर पढेको चाहिँ अर्कै like I think there's more exposure and
and you'll get
experience,
independence.
Yeah,
you have to do everything on your own.
म चाहिँ खासमा the +2 पछि I gave my SAT. I wanted to go out. I wanted to go to US for my bachelor's. And SAT कहिले पनि I never checked my marks के भयो. I just ended up staying here. But if
wow, you gave SAT and you just forgot about it?
No, I didn't check my marks ने अनि कस्तो funny अनि but जे भयो राम्रै भयो because bachelor's यहाँ गरे and then I also continued my modeling journey here and also Miss Nepalमा पनि भाग लिए so ठिकै भयो जे भयो जस्तो लाग्छ.
I mean, everything happens for a reason. It was meant to be, probably. Do you believe in ghosts?
I don't believe in ghosts, but राति horror movie चाहिँ म हेर्न सक्दिनँ एक्लै.
This way, the belief भइहाल्यो.
No, like the ghost आएर नै मलाई काच्चै खाइदिन्छ जस्तो वाला चाहिँ होइन, but you know like डर लाग्छ कि.
Who told you ghost ल्याएर काच्चै खाइदिन्छ?
No, like when you watch
horror movies are you watching?
When you watch horror movies हुन्छ त्यो जे movies हुन्छ ल मलाई पनि त्यो हुन्छ के भने राति चाहिँ डर लाग्छ, दिउँसो चाहिँ any time I can watch horror movies.
Baby, this question is not only about horror movies, just in general.
Okay, in general,
do you
I
believe
don't
in
know.
like spirits? I'm not saying okay, forget horror show ko bhoot, okay? Let's completely forget horror movies. Just in general, after death also, like, you know, atmaharu bhatkincha, there are souls present, and there's a higher power, higher energy.
I mean, I've never, like, I don't know about, dekhe ta chaina, tara I'd like to believe it.
Okay, now let's move on to the most Sansani case question of today.
Hazur.
You recently announced that you were getting married. A lot of people saw that. No, Timro. No, I have like more than 20 questions.
Don't ask.
Don't ask me. So you guys were doing it planning to do it this year.
Like, pachi aba, later. Circumstances they are leaders, but I'll think about getting married later.
But you are getting married.
Yeah, of course. Anyone
everybody's
no,
heart
I mean,
is broken.
No, सबैले बिहा गर्नु पर्छ नि त दिदी एक न एकचोटि त.
तर तिमी त taken भइसक्यौ नि त. You are taken already. People just don't know the date. So yeah. I think even she doesn't know the date.
I also don't know the date.
Because too much COVID is happening right now. And I think she's very blushing also. So maybe she's lying also little. I don't know.
No, I said मैले के भने पनि सबैजना त एक एकचोटि त बिहा भइहाल्छ नि. So हुन्छ होला भनेको के कुनै बेला, but not now.
What kind of nonsense answer is that?
But not now.
सबैजनाको एक न एक दिन हुन्छ रे, मेरो पनि हुन्छ होला.
एकचोटि कहिले हुन्छ अब, but not now. That's your answer.
Okay, but then you do admit that you are dating.
No, I'm not.
My God, म कहाँ गएर उठाउनु छ? Okay, guys, we'll just believe that she's not dating anyone.
Oh, na.
एक त जवानीको गर्मी, एक त उसको आन्सरको गर्मी, एक त प्रेग्नेन्सीको गर्मी. I'm not being able to handle it. Moving on, Nidhi, please count, right?
I'm not even blushing. Okay, Nidhi, धेरै हाँसेर गर्मी भएर.
Yeah, okay, let's release some pressure.
God.
Okay, guys, Nidhi is single, okay? According to her.
तपाईहरुको इच्छा तपाईहरुले जे सोच्नु भएको छ सोच्नुस्.
Okay, moving on.
Okay.
What is your biggest regret in life? Do you have any regret?
No, I don't think so. Like, this is it, I know.
Any bad experiences that came along, how do you look at it then? If it's not regret, it's like what? Learning process?
Yeah, learning, experience, I know, but not back away. Maybe I wouldn't have grown up like in specific things, I know. So, there's no regret. Je bhayo ramro ko lai bhayo bhanne soch chai rakera.
Okay, next question. Since when did you start modeling? And Suruma, what did you think of it? Did you think that this would be a career? Did you just jump into it? How was the beginning days?
No, मैले त्यस्तो कहिले पनि सोचेको थिएन. लाइक स्कुलमा हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ सबैको त्यो एम हुन्छ नि डक्टर इन्जिनियर पाइलट. मैले चाहिँ जहिले पनि आई युज टु रियली गेट फ्यासिनेटेड हुन्छ नि इन्टरटेनमेन्ट वर्ल्डबाट. लाइक मुभी स्टार्सहरू भयो, मोडल्सहरू भयो, singers, anyone, entertainment industry ko. And I remember I used to look up to you, Malvika Di, you know, and the teens magazine out in ECS.
Yeah.
So I always used to collect it. And यति भएर राख्थेँ कि अनि जहिले पनि every month म स्टेसनरी दौडेर जाने अनि किन्ने त्यस्तो. सो त्यस्तो चाहिँ फ्यासिनेसन त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ अलिकति हुन्छ नि वाउ भएको. तर I would say I was lucky enough कि मेरो एकजना दाइको फ्रेन्डले चाहिँ she used to work in ECS अनि तिमी फोटोसुट गर्छौ भनेर सोध्नु भयो कि मैले चाहिँ I never saw it coming हुन्छ नि. अनि पछि चाहिँ मैले के भन्यो नि मैले त मामुलाई सोध्नुपर्छ दिसिन्छ कि दिसिन्न थाहा छैन. इफ सी अलाउज म गर्छु भनेर भने अनि माई मम केम विथ मी. अनि कति एक वर्षसम्म त म जहाँ गए पनि मामु मसँग आउने कि सुटमा. There's जस्तो त ECSको अफिसमै हुन्थ्यो. अनि त्यसरी चाहिँ I started, but I didn't see it coming.
अनि छिरिसकेपछि चाहिँ was it has it always been like a smooth journey, or were there times when you were like, my god, like what am I doing, maybe things not working
I
out
think,
according to how you wanted?
Modeling, I'd say it was a smooth journey because I knew what I was doing. I was good at it, right now. But when I joined Miss Nepal, I had many doubts. Like, एक्कासी अब म एकदमै introvert हो, like म धेरै यसो हतपत हुन्छ नि. Like maybe I'm good in one-on-one, but म चाहिँ like अलिकति डराउने त्यस्तो थियो कि public speaking भनेपछि चाहिँ. अनि मिस नेपालमा गए जानु त तर प्रिपेयर भएरै गएको थिएँ तर आई डिडन्ट नो what was coming के like एकदम धेरै criticism पनि भयो यस्तो अब हुन्छ नि people were expecting something होला तर मलाई चाहिँ एकदम I was under pressure त्यति बेला अनि whatever happened हुन्छ नि it really broke me अनि अलिकति confidence चाहिँ मैले त्यो टाइममा चाहिँ lose गरेँ कि like I was like म सक्दिनँ म I don't think I can do it anymore so bad थियो but then again you know like bad days make you stronger भनेर so I was like okay whatever it is I'm gonna do what I am.
Yes, I was actually getting to that question when you faced a lot of criticisms and controversy, Miss International.
Yeah.
So how did that make you feel? Like, how was that? What did that teach you? You know, because people are so quick to judge Nita.
Yeah.
You know, and I remember you were put at such a spot, and it was so much attack from everywhere. How did you handle it? How did that change you as a person? Did you learn? Did you grow? What's your experience?
I learned. I grew up to be more stronger. It was more of like एउटा bad dayले गरेर एउटा bad incidentले गरेर it's really sad how people judge you your entire life like they give you names हुन्छ नि but that is just one bad day हैन we're in the media even you me हामी we're exposed to a lot of people हैन अनि हाम्रो good qualities पनि देख्छ हाम्रो flaws हरू पनि देख्छ and people have they feel it's their right that they can judge us हैन but I think we all do like as humans हैन अनि मेरो चाहिँ फ्लॉ के थियो भने मलाई पब्लिक स्पिकिङमा एकदम डर लाग्ने अनि लाइक मलाई अहिले पनि याद छ त्यो मोडलिङको ट्रेनिङमा जाँदा इभन आयुष्मानहरू सबै हुन्थ्यो अनि बोल भन्दाखेरि म त बोल्नै नसक्ने मेरो त मुटु नै बाहिर आउला जस्तो हुन्थ्यो कि डर लागेर आई टु आई कन्ट्याक्ट पनि गर्न नसक्ने म त्यस्तो एकदम साई तर like I want to get into I mean I want to get into fashion industry तर but still I'm a shy person जस्तो पहिलेदेखि त्यस्तै हो अनि एकैचोटि मिस नेपालमा जाँदा फेरि आउट इन द पब्लिक लाइक पिपल आर हुन्छ नि लुकिङ एट यु अनि कस्तो एकदम प्रेसर फिल भयो कि मलाई अनि आई स्क्रुड अप लाइक होला मैले कुनै वर्ड्सहरू
which is fine we're all humans
but it was not what it was portrayed in social media honestly it was not त्यो सानो एउटा लाइभ I mean एउटा स्मल डिस्कसन थियो जस्ट हाउ वी आर टकिङ इट्स जस्ट अ स्मल डिस्कसन अनि त्यो लाइभ लिएर आएको बेलामा एकजना हाम्रो आई डोन्ट नो सम नेपाली गाई उसले चाहिँ त्यो लाइभको सर्ट क्लिप काटेर नितिशा स्पिच इन मिस इन्टरनेसनल भनेर राख्थ्यो बट डिस्कसन र स्पिचमा त देयर टु डिफ्रेन्ट थिङ्स नि आई थिङ्क वी अल फेस्ड इट होइन अब के भनिरह हुन्छ कसरी पोर्ट्रे गरेर हालिदिन्छ अनि त्यो भयो नि आई वाज रियली हार्ट ब्रोकन म त रोइ थिएँ ब्याक स्टेजमा पनि फिनालेमा अरूहरू चाहिँ टप 15 मा आएन भनेर रोइरहेको थियो म चाहिँ ला मलाई यस्तो गर्यो भनेर रोइरहेको थिएँ ब्याक स्टेज जस्तो हाँस उठिरहेको लाग्छ अहिले सोच्यो भने चाहिँ तर आई मिन माई पेरेन्ट्स वाज सपोर्टिभ माई क्लोज फ्रेन्ड्स वाज सपोर्टिभ इभन यु आई रिमेम्बर हजुरले कमेन्ट गर्नुभएको थियो अनि सो मेनी फ्रेन्ड्स फ्रम मिडिया दे वर सो सपोर्टिभ दे सेन्ड मी सो मेनी मेसेजेस होइन सो आई न्यू लाइक it is just a bad phase, it'll go, but you know, that made me stronger.
Yeah, looking at you right now, I can't tell that you're a shy girl. You're so confident and you're speaking so much jolly right now.
Yeah, like let's say I've become like this because I think of whatever I've experienced so far. And kati barsa bhaisyo, I think
I've learned. And
2013 देखि अब 2021 धेरै वर्ष भइसक्यो. So with experience, I also grew up भनौँ न
सबै पचाइदिने शक्ति पनि आउँछ के बिस्तारै
त्यही
आजकल त I don't think it really bother you because see trolls and memes and जे पाए त्यो त forever आउँछ
yeah त्यो त forever नै हो त्यो पनि गुड पब्लिसिटी पनि हो ब्याड पब्लिसिटी पनि हो लाइक जस्ट अभोइड देम के लाइक अरूहरूको ओपिनियन सुडन्ट म्याटर जस्तो भइसक्यो अहिले चाहिँ
Good, a strong girl. Do you have a favorite Miss Nepal till now? Like favorite भन्नाले अब not a favorite होइन someone that you think is actually inspirational to you or someone you look up to?
I think सबै Miss Nepals they're doing really good होइन for themselves अनि मलाई चाहिँ मेरो पर्सनल फेभरेट वुड बी अश्मी दी बिकज अश्मी दीलाई चाहिँ मैले मोडलिङ डेजदेखि चिनिरहेको हो सी वाज द वान हु टट मी हाउ टु वक लाइक त्यो अडिसनमा जाँदाखेरि सी वाज वान अफ द जज अनि उहाँले मलाई यसरी यसरी वक गर्नुपर्छ भनेर सिकाउनु भएको थियो सो यु नो लाइक आई अलवेज हेभ द्याट सफ्ट कर्नर फर हर अनि अर्को एकदमै मनपर्ने एकदमै आई लुक अप टु भनेको चाहिँ जेनिसा मोक्तान हो आई लभ हर पोस्ट्स अन इन्स्टाग्राम लाइक द वे सी राइट्स हुन्छ नि त्यो उहाँको आइराख्छ नि क्याप्सन्स इट्स सो मोटिभेसनल अनि like you just feel so good when you read it, read her words. So yeah, I really look up to her.
Shadow is loving your answers. Okay. What do you do when you get distracted from your goal or your main purpose? कोही बेला त्यस्तो हुन्छ
अहिले चाहिँ भइरहेछ आई थिङ्क यो कोभिडले गरेर अनि यो लकडाउन भएर लाइक एकदम नेभर एन्डिङ भइसक्यो नि त कहिले सकिन्छ भइसक्यो सो अहिले चाहिँ आम लाइक अब वाट नेक्स्ट हुन्छ नि अब अभियसली हाम्रो अब मुभी आई मिन आई थिङ्क सबै फिल्डमै अहिले गाह्रो भइरहेछ लाइक people are working from home हाम्रो पनि त्यति धेरै सुट हुँदैन सो घरमै बस लाइक यु ट्राइङ टु बी प्रोडक्टिभ एभ्री डे इज नट प्रोडक्टिभ हुन्छ नि भने जस्तो हुँदैन सो अहिले चाहिँ या आइ एम इन द्याट फेज
distracted phase
या
so how do you think you'll come out of it?
I think once I start going out, like as coming here, it's a work name, in a way. So I'm already feeling productive. Okay? But if I don't do anything, I'm like, la, zindagi barbaad bhayeko kya ho jasto ki like ke na ke garirakhnu parcha. So yeah, always on the go jasto.
So what is your take on mental health? How important do you think it is to talk about it?
It is. I think it's very important. Like if you've been through so much and you just keep quiet and keep it to yourself, then I think you'll never overcome it. So I think it's so important to like talk about what you're feeling, what's happening in your life, and like talk bhanale sabai na bhana, but like at least talk to trusted ones or take therapy huncha ni like try to get out of it so you're in peace.
Yeah.
Because after all, peace of mind is everything.
It's
peace of mind
important.
and happiness is everything.
How romantic is Neeti? Explain to me the most romantic setup you will do for your boyfriend, which you don't have right now, apparently, but one day you will have, hola, हैन? So Neeti le एउटा romantic setup गरेर आफ्नो boyfriendलाई surprise गर्नु पर्यो भने what will you do? What comes to your mind?
I think I love beaches. So beach ma, just two of us.
Okay, you and imaginary boyfriend, someone.
Yes, let's just pretend someone.
Okay.
Beach ma, like looking at the view and nighttime, like stars. I mean beach. I mean just two of us. Like just having drink and like in a mat or something, just lying down. I think
watching
that would be
stars.
watching the stars, and then water in front of us. Like I think that would be my perfect
Food or no food?
romantic date. Yes,
Food,
food for sure. Yeah, that would be my ideal date.
So that's how your honeymoon will be? One of the nights? Maybe. We can all expect to see pictures like that. We'll wait whenever you get married. बच्चामा बेसरी कुटै खाएको छ कि छैन एन्ड खाएको छ भने why? What was the childhood like?
My childhood was fun. Like I think सबैले माया गर्ने मामा घरमा हुर्केको हो मेरो पापु was in the army, so मामा घरमै भयो हुर्क्यो अनि सबैले माया गर्ने तर मामुको चाहिँ एकचोटि गाली खाएको छु
मात्र एकचोटि
हैन अलिकति डरलाग्दो गरी डेन्जरस गाली खाएको चाहिँ because she wanted me to wear this red dress. And I didn't want to wear that red dress. I was only stubborn बच्चामा so I was like no लाउदिनु मामुले त मलाई एक चापर दिएको याद छ के लाउदिनु भनेर
अनि लायो
sad भएर I still have pictures के ठुस्स परेर बसेको फोटोजहरु छ के त्यतिको
यति धेरै राम्री किन रे Wow, she's actually thinking.
Yeah, I don't know.
But let me give you a good answer to that.
The answer it hasn't. That's why I'm thinking.
But I'm sure you get this a lot.
I do, but I think physical appearance when you meet people and that vibe match and like you think alike and you just like go with the flow. I think like I get attracted to this like people than just by looks. So I really don't know the answer. Okay, I am like this. I don't know why.
एकदम राम्रो छ अब के गर्ने
No, this the one I know, but thanks to my parents.
Okay.
त्यही हो.
So 1 to 10 को scale मा how pretty do you think you are?
त्यस्तो चाहिँ थाहा छैन
Just आफैलाई भन न, just be honest, like 10 भन न, confidence,
Five.
come on.
5
हामी चाहिँ के -3 हो?
होइन होइन तपाईँको
Five?
9 हो तपाईँ 9 हो म चाहिँ 5 हो
No, I think Niti is like 10 on 10.
No, you're also 10 on 10.
Okay, we're all 10 on 10.
Yes, we're all 10 on 10.
Everybody is beautiful. Everybody's unique. Everybody has beauty.
In them.
Mans, don't laugh, okay? That's a fact.
2020.
Yeah, but literally, when they wanna think it was just coming.
No,
and
everybody
Miss
is
Nepal
beautiful.
2022 is Priyanka Karki.
Visualizing the eyes of the world. Everything is beautiful.
Okay, the most precious moment of your life till date. Is there any?
I think when I made my parents really proud when I was on Miss Nepal stage, my
Oh.
parents were crying. They were really happy. Yeah, so I think that would be my precious moment. Till
And I'm
now.
sure there's more to come. You
Yeah.
have so much life. Okay, Niti, did you ever get bullied in school days?
I did, Didi.
Really?
I did.
How,
Big
how
time.
was the experience?
It was really bad. Knowing that you've not done wrong to that person, and when she bullied me, and then kasto manipulative bani sabbai ke bhanyo, like I felt really bad, and I was alone bhanau na त्यो phase of time ma. Ani त्यो जब especially त्यो grade 9 10 ma हुँदा फेरि you know, like you're so sensitive and you're so vulnerable. त्यो time ma चाहिँ I got bullied really badly because of one person who disliked me ke. Ani I think that has really created an impact in my life, because त्यसै उसले त्यो इन्सिडेन्टले गरेर चाहिँ लाइक त्यो अहिलेसम्म नि I dream about those moments. Ani I think it really hit me hard.
I was bullied too. So.
Yeah, I think we've all been bullied in some point of life, right?
Some way or the other.
मेरो चाहिँ it was in school.
Except for Priyanka.
उहाँले चाहिँ बरु बुली गर्नुहुन्छ होला अरूलाई.
You are right.
I'm still sweet. I love you, Priyanka.
You are the winner of such a
Guys, okay, I never bullied anyone, okay? I have always been against bullying. I think, see, it's very simple. If you don't like someone, then just like
Then just
Yeah,
stay,
just
stay
tell
clear,
us.
you know?
I know.
Just stay clear, do your
Stop
own
bullying
thing.
me
I've always believed in that. Bully
She's
anyone.
really sweet.
Thank you.
Yeah, try and marry her. She's very sweet. You're very sweet.
Very sweet.
Now.
Mars, I didn't expect that from you. Okay, what is your favorite place to escape?
This is a favorite place चाहिँ छैन. Like I can go anywhere where it's peaceful and all. It's in nature, into
So you like nature?
जस्तो. But like if I'm really stressed out, अनि म चाहिँ like I lock my room, अनि I put on my AirPods, अनि गीत सुनेर I just like start dancing, okay? And that is my the stress
Oh,
busters.
that's
जस्तो,
good.
okay?
Everybody should have something like that to
Yeah.
release all their energy and stress and tension and everything. You should never bottle it up inside. So that's
So-
very good. Are you a night owl or an early bird?
Night owl, but I can जति ढिलो सुते पनि I can wake up on time, because म स्कुलदेखि नै I've been studying like +2 college and masters when सबै 6:30 onwards के class 6:30 AM onwards. So मलाई चाहिँ त्यो बिहान उठ्ने बानी चाहिँ भइसक्यो. So I don't know, like जति राति सुते पनि बिहान चाहिँ म उठ्न सक्छु. So ढिलो उठ्ने जस्तो चाहिँ हुँदैन.
Okay, today,
Mm.
if you had power
Yes.
to take 3 things away from me,
Mm.
what will you take?
Dogs.
All 3 dogs?
All four. मैले उसलाई चाहिँ
Stop pointing
भेटेको
at me.
I'm not pointing at you. I'm pointing at
One,
1,
Dog
2,
which
3,
is
4.
2, 3, all 4. You as well.
not you. The dog which is upstairs.
Okay, next.
I would take your confidence. My God, I love your
No,
confidence.
thank you. You're also very confident now. Okay, I'm not believing your whole hocus pocus bullshit that you were not confident and stuff. And I'm seeing
No.
so much confidence oozing out of you right now today. So,
No, I mean I have become who I am because of all the experiences I had to
Great.
go. Yeah. So yeah, confidence.
And
I know. Your acting skills maybe, so I can use it.
So batty look. Okay, let's move on. What was your feeling when you were not crowned Miss Nepal? Were
World.
you expecting, yeah, Miss Nepal World? Did you think you would be Miss
No,
Nepal
the
World?
म चाहिँ त्यस्तो छैन. Like म चाहिँ एकदम जे आउँछ लाइफमा त्यो like just enjoy it भन्ने खाले approach लिन्छु जे कुरा पनि. अनि त्यो I knew मेरो first top 10 को answer was good होइन. Every like it was okay, like to be light. But top 5 मा top 7 मा आएर चाहिँ I was lost. To be very honest, I think I didn't win the crown of Miss Nepal World. I think all the titles are the same.
Exactly.
Miss Nepal World say because I was lost. म त्यो क्वेसन सुन्योपछि नै I don't know what happened होइन म एकदम ब्ल्याङ्क भएँ कि like I think म लर्डबाट आएको पनि थियो मेरो आन्सरमा. Something happened and I just couldn't कि मेरो right state of mind मै थिएन कि म maybe I was under too much of pressure हो कि खै के भयो I just got lost. I think त्यही भएर चाहिँ I wasn't placed as Miss Nepal World, but it's okay because when I was announced as Miss Nepal International, त्यही momentमा that very moment I was happy and I took it, okay?
Yeah.
And I took it and I appreciated it.
Exactly.
Okay? Like, okay, this is my title, Manera.
Yeah. And what was meant to be
Was meant
always,
to be, I
will
know.
always will be. Okay, Niti, very strange or a weird habit of yours?
I'm a little moody. That's what my friends say about me. Like, I'm sometimes in a mood to like, you know, like, okay, let's do this and all, take them excited boy, and then flip, let's say, like, suddenly so then flip boy. No, let's just stay home and do nothing while this to garchu re kaile kai, yeah, so maybe I like if you call that strange then.
What does success mean to you?
I think to be where you always wanted to be, but in peace, ke like okay, I got it, but I'm peaceful and I'm happy with what I have on you. I don't feeling that is success for me.
Okay. Who is your greatest inspiration in your life?
I think my dad. I call him Papu. So my Papu is my greatest inspiration in life. He is such a family-oriented person, but he's done great things in his career as well. So I always look up to him.
Would you like to share your love story?
With my dogs?
You personally उत्तर दिन असम्भव छ. Yeah, you can share a love story with anyone, maybe with your dogs, because it doesn't mention with.
Yeah, with my dogs. I have
dogs.
I have 2 dogs. Oh, I have 3 dogs. I know.
Your dogs are adorable. I see them on your
Yeah.
feed. They're so adorable.
They're both Cocker Spaniel. And one is Japanese Spitz, which is 14 years old. भइसक्यो हैन तर उलाई चाहिँ छुट्टिराख्छ because उलाई cranky छ, like as they get older अलि cranky हुँदो रहेछ. But my other 2 dogs are Cocker Spaniel and they're so loving, like त्यो stress busters जस्तो के दि मेरो dogsहरु के भयो पनि I just hug them and सबै कुरा like everything goes away जस्तो के like you know like dogs are just
everything. Dogs are everything.
Everything. Yeah.
Okay, one place you want to visit after COVID is over, desperately.
Oh, I'd like to travel anywhere out of Nepal.
Just doesn't matter, just anywhere.
Anywhere, just travel, like feel that. To beach is travel.
Do you miss the smell of like airplane? And
yeah, I do. Airport, duty free, my shopping, like going to Sephora and shop. Small little things which we took for granted. I think I really miss it, and I'm just gonna travel anywhere. But you know, like just get in the plane and just go anywhere.
So अर्को एकदमै ask question is, I'm sure तिमीलाई पनि ask मान्छेले भन्छ होला यो that you look like Katrina. Do people keep saying that to you?
They used to, but then I gained weight again.
So a lot of people have said you and Katrina look alike. So do you take that as a compliment or do you take that as oh no, मेरो आफ्नो individuality? Like how do you look at that whole situation?
I don't take it
as anything.
I don't take it seriously. Like if they tell me oh I look like an actress, then I'll take it as a compliment, you know. But too much भयो भने पनि like of course मेरो पनि त identity छ, like I'm also doing good in Nepal हैन बाहिर नभए पनि, so त्यो चाहिँ हुन्छ. But I don't take it एकदम seriously. ए भन्छु thank you भन्छु.
It's a compliment.
Take it.
Katrina is beautiful. I find her like very beautiful. And so are you. Okay, next question. You say मलाई पनि थाहा छैन. This is something even I don't know or have knowledge about. But do you have relationship with the royal family?
No, I don't.
A lot of people have asked this question. So I was सुरुमा मैले ignore गरिरहेको थिएँ, but then I got so many, so I was like, oh, maybe I should ask her.
Sha भनेर I think people get confused हुन्छ नि. Are you also from royal family? But I have huge respect for them. हामी चाहिँ my dad is एकदमै राजावादी, बाबु चाहिँ even like us as a family. But we're not related to them. But it's just that every year as like to respect because we respect them so much, I would say every year Dasema we go tika lagauna. But I think त्यो एउटा YouTube च्यानलले मेरो त्यो भिडियो लिनु भएको थियो अनि त्यो युट्युबमा राख्नु भएको थियो कि सो मेबी द्याट्स हाउ वाइ पिपल पर्सिभ द्याट वेयर रिलेटेड बट नो लाइक हामी त्यो अर्डिनरी लाइनमै गएर टिका लाएर त्यस्तो गर्छौँ सो वी नट रिलेटेड
Okay.
दूर दूर का रिश्ता नाता कुछ नहीं है
कुछ नहीं है, okay guys, कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, that is the last question that we're taking from the audience. Thank you, Neeti. You did so well.
Thank
and
you,
finally, now to everybody watching you who've loved you so much, people wanted you here, you Shoma, for such a long time. So anything you want to tell all your fans and followers and people who love you?
Thank you everyone for all the love, blessings and support you've given me so far. I'm really blessed. I started off at a very early age and I'm 25 now, so 17 to 25 your journey has been with you, so thank you so much for all the love and thank you Priyanka Di for inviting me at such a great time. Hasira purai
I know, so
Ramailo bhayo.
Alright guys, thank you so much for your questions. We tried to answer as many as we can, but the fun is not over yet. We have 2 more segments left, so we'll be back with our next segment, which is a fun game round. Alright guys, we are back with our game round. Competition ekdam tough cha yaar, you know. So today we're going to play a game called Flip Your Lid. So we have a timer right there, which is going to be set for 1 minute by Patidev. So Tetima, all we have to do is just flip your lid and basically flip your lid. Esari arkaunu saknu bhayo bhane you get 1 point. Esari arक्यो भने
2.
You get 2 points. And as many as you can in 1 minute. Whoever does more is the winner. Ready, Niti?
Yes, babe.
Can you give me a countdown, please?
1, 2. I think. 1, 2, 3, go.
Count गर्दै गरे यो अर्को ढल्यो भने Asian Arab is like outside of it. I don't know what's up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I got that. Okay, so this is how many I have. Okay, look. How much does she have?
4. Oh, no,
Wow,
you won.
sis, you have 2 points. Oh, this 2? 4?
Yeah, 4 and you're 6.
Who's the winner?
Didi is the winner.
Who's the winner?
Okay, now clean this.
Good times though. We'll come back with our final segment, which is going to be this or that. Okay, welcome back to our last segment, Niti, and this is called This or That. I will just give you a few options and you just pick either this or that.
Okay.
Simple as that. Okay? First, momo or pizza?
But is it simple as this?
What? Can you like not disturb? Thanks.
No, because you said it's simple as that.
Momo or pizza?
But is it as simple as this or that?
Momo or pizza? Just ignore them.
Momo.
Soda or fresh juice?
Fresh juice.
Home food or restaurant food?
Restaurant food because it's COVID and lockdown, so I miss restaurant
Restaurant food at home. Wow.
Thanks for giving the
Dal bhat
answer.
tarkari or roti tarkari?
Dal bhat tarkari and masu. Aloo tariko.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Starters or dessert?
Dessert.
Hot beverages or cold beverages?
Cold.
Sweet or spicy?
Spicy.
Single or taken?
Single.
Good. You performed really well. I'm
Thank
so proud
you.
of you.
Thank you.
So we have a gift hamper for you for performing so well.
Ooh.
Baby, can we get the hamper, please? So here we have a beautiful gift hamper from Byanjan, from Chop Chop Diaries, from Pinches Core, and from Taza Treats for you.
Thank you, Didi.
Have you tried the baklawas from Taza Treats yet?
No,
Oh
I'm
my
not.
god, you're going to try one right now.
Thank you.
I'm going to open this box now. Oh!
You don't have this technology these days.
Technology. Here, Nikki, which one do you want to try?
I'll go for this. Thank you. तपाईं नखाने?
म त खाना खाँदा बक्लावा जस्तै भइसक्यो अहिले. Do you like it? It's your first time? So while Niti is enjoying her baklava, we would like to say thank you, Niti, for coming to the show, for being such a sport. We love you. So we had such a great time with Niti here at the show today. Just let us know in the comment section what you thought about the episode. Thank you everybody for staying with us. We'll come back in our final segment, which is the home cook challenge. Hi everybody, welcome back to our home cook challenge segment. Last week home cook challenge रहेको थियो मोमोको अचार बनाउन र अहिले एकदम पानी पनि परिरहेछ सो यहाँहरुले यस्तो राम्रो राम्रो प्रेजेन्टेसनको साथमा एन्ट्रीजहरु पठाउनु भयो र लास्ट विकको विनर चुज गर्न चाहिँ हामीलाई पनि अलि गाह्रो भएको थियो किनभने कस्तो राम्रो एन्ट्रीजहरु थियो प्रेजेन्टेसनमा एकदमै मेहनत गर्नुभएको थियो यहाँहरुले सो तीनटा हाम्रो टप 3 लाई चाहिँ मैले राखेर पोल गरेको थिएँ चप चप डायरीजको इन्स्टाग्राम पेजबाट र मसँग रिजल्ट्स अब रहेको छ र नम्बर 1 चाहिँ थियो हाम्रो कुकअप नम्बर 1 चाहिँ थियो हाम्रो कुकअप विथ रोशनी कार्कीको एन्ट्री नम्बर 2 मा थियो कृष्ण रोकाजीको एन्ट्री र नम्बर 3 मा फुड फिल्स को एन्ट्री थियो तीनटाको पोल गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ यहाँहरुले नै भोट गर्नु भएको छ र भोटिङ अनुसार हाम्रो आजको विनर हुनुहुन्छ नम्बर 1 सो कंग्रेचुलेशन्स हाम्रो द फर्स्ट एन्ट्री which is actually the 5th entry competition ma ra cook it up with Roshni Karki le jitnu bhayeko cha last week ko home cook challenge congratulations yahanle paunu bhayeko cha this gorgeous gift hamper from Byanjan another gift hamper from Aura Safe we have another gift hamper from Divan's Unisex another gift hamper from Pinch's Art Core another gift hamper from the girls room another gift hamper from KV's Pizzeria another gift hamper from the Cake Mart and finally another gift hamper from Asian Thai Foods. So congratulations one more time. अब स्क्रिनमा डिस्प्ले हुने नम्बर्समा प्लिज यहाँले कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नुहोला एन्ड प्लिज क्लेम योर गिफ्ट्स Also, thank you everybody for participating. यो वीकको होम कुक च्यालेन्ज पनि नाउ इट्स ओपन र यसपालि हामीले बनाएका छौं द इजी ब्रिजी मिनी पिज्जास जुन माइक्रोवेभमा तपाईलाई 2 मिनेट पनि लाग्दैन बनाउनलाई इट्स डिलिशियस It's easy to make, so I hope to see a lot of entries this week as well. So thank you everybody for watching, for cooking with us. When you do make the recipe, please tag us at @ChopChopDiaries. And remember, until next week, anybody can cook.